Students, today we'll be discussing about the practical in MS Excel. How can we use AutoSum function, max and min function? So I have already prepared the database. Here you are seeing that there is a database in which three fields are there. One is state, another is tiger reserve, and number of tigers. So first of all, we'll check out the number of tigers. So if I want to find out the sum, so there is a function called AutoSum. We have to do it either by going to the AutoSum function, or we can add it manually also. If I want to add this number of tigers through AutoSum function, what I'll have to do, simply I'll have to go to file option, then or see the go to home. By clicking on home option, there is a AutoSum option there. You just click on that AutoSum option, or simply what you will do, you will select the number of tigers and drag it till 80 and then click on AutoSum function. Here by clicking AutoSum, you will be able to calculate the total number of tigers, that is 589. So prior to that, if you want the AutoSum function to work properly, you first of all you have to select the range of cell. So if you want the manual addition, if you want the manual sum of number of tigers, simply what you have to do, you will have to click on the total, and here it will show you the formula equal to sum. The range is C2 to C7. C2 is 208 and 80 is C7. It is cell range. So hope you have understood the sum function. Now we can also go into formulas, and then maths, and then type sum, SUM sum. We can also add arguments here. We can also add function from the formulas of sum. So there are two types: either go to the home tab and select AutoSum, or either go to formula, then go to maths and select sum, and then select the range. Now then move to home. Now we'll be talking about how can I find the maximum number of values in it. Simply, if I want to find out the maximum number of values, I'll simply have to type in the formula bar equal to max, max, then it will ask for the range of cell. Simply I have to select the range of cell. The range of cell is C2 to C7. Then I'll press enter. Now it will show you the maximum value, that is 208. In this 208 is the maximum value, is the maximum number of tiger. Now if I want to find out the min number, what I'll have to do, I'll simply, if I want the result here, I'll simply have to go to then to equal to sign min, min, and then list means the cell range, and then drag it from here. The range is C2 to C7, then I press enter. The least or the min value is 60. So today we have learned how can I'll apply sum, AutoSum, max, min function in the Excel sheet. So hope you like the session, and please do apply this practical session at your home. Thank you so much and have a great day.